Welcome to another JustTech Employee Spotlight. I'm Josh Justice, president of JustTech, and I'm excited this month we're doing something a little different. We're interviewing our sales team. We have a lot of our sales team members here. Some of them had other obligations and had to leave, but we've got a great group of people here. We've had our fall sales workshop here in Fredericksburg at our distribution center, and we've been having a great time just being together, learning. We did a lot of hands-on training, workshops. We did headshots for new profile pics and had a lot of fun. So Sarah, I know you're a big fan of getting people together in person. Talk about that. Why is that important to you?
Well, I just really like it because we build a strong relationship. We work together better. We get more energized. We're ready to go out there and sell. And everybody knows how to bring their customers the best that we have to offer and the best the industry has to offer.
That's great. That's great. Alex, I know a lot of pre-work went into this meeting from the sales leadership, you, Sarah, and myself, but also the solution specialist, our team, in getting their deals created for Q4 that they're going to go after so that we could strategize here as a group. Talk a little bit about that.
Our team came together. It was a great workshop. They prepared, got ready to go. We had a great Q3 and want to carry the momentum into Q4. So we did a lot of strategizing and are ready to have a great, strong fourth quarter of 2025.
Awesome. Thank you, Alex. Yes, I agree. So Tyler, you joined our team earlier this year and you've had a big impact, but talk about some of the things that inspired you this week.
I would definitely say team camaraderie, coming together, being able to pretty much outlook, understand the opportunity that's ahead of us, and then making a plan to go ahead and attack the territory and get customers what they need.
Awesome. Thank you, Tyler. Jenna, I know you, and you are a visual person. How did you benefit from being here in the center of the action at our distribution center where the action happens?
Yes, it's been a great opportunity to see what the distribution center looks like here in Fredericksburg as the machines come in, unboxing it, the process that we go through of how we check the machines and get them ready for the clients, as well as the processes for all of our orders to go out. It's been great.
Great. And Jenna, you also look very festive in your fall attire here.
Thank you. I'm ready.
Jen, it has been 7 years since JustTech acquired your previous company, Document Solutions, 7 years this month. And you were saying that sometimes it's just good to get together in person to review our amazing enablers that we have and a refresher because they change all the time. How did you find that beneficial?
I think JustTech, one of the great things about our company is all the promotions that we're constantly bringing out to our customers, and our information is changing so rapidly. We're in the technology industry, and we always try to stay current with the latest technology, with current promotions, and just being able to remind myself and all our reps about what we have to offer, what's new, and being able to bring that to our customers is really beneficial.
Absolutely, I agree. Yeah, thank you. I agree. And, Manny, what are some things that you found exciting this week?
Well, honestly, I found everything exciting, but specifically, I want to say I definitely benefited from the collaboration piece, just being here with the guys from all over the region, working together, coming up with strategy, just making sure we're as confident as possible to go ahead and close in Q4. So just the excitement of preparation.
Great.
I'd say.
Thank you, Manny. And Cleveland, the new kid on the block, welcome, your first in-person sales workshop. What did you find that was the most impactful to you this week?
Yeah, so like you said, I'm the new guy on the block, so yeah, I'm the farthest away as well, so it's nice to be with the team as well, and just learn about the machines. I'm learning everything. I'm still new, so everything's new. Everything I'm just trying to absorb, and yeah.
Great, thank you. Yeah, so I'll just close and say this team has a lot of wind in their sails. We had a great Q3, both with our Xerox equipment sales and our managed IT sales. We had our second best month for new managed IT revenue. We had our best month for non-customers this year that closed last month, and we're looking for big things in Q4. So we'll see you next time.